Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Equity markets are on the defensive. Nearly all Asian bourses fell this month, with the largest loss being the 1.65% plunge in the Stoxx 600. U.S. futures are also heavily traded. The U.S. rate hikes and the inability of the equity markets to sustain gains led to the post-Truss sterling rally crashing amid a wider recovery of the dollar. The week has seen sterling fall to new lows. The dollar is currently above JPY 150, and the Bank Yen of Japan has not been seen. Gold is close to the two-year low set last month at $1,615. Yesterday's low of $87 for December WTI was reversed by the WTI. It currently trades at $84. Asian Pacific market. Japan's September CPI remained unchanged at 3%. The core rate, which excludes fresh foods, also increased to 3%. The measure that excludes fresh food and energy increased to 1.8%. However, despite these high readings, many expect the Bank of Japan to maintain its policy unchanged when it meets next week. Today's dollar was above JPY 150. As the Asian session ended, the market saw that the risk of intervention had been reduced and took the greenback up to JPY 151. The Australian dollar is still stuck at its lowest point. Although it did reach a near two-week high of $0 and 6,355 cents yesterday, it is now back at 0.6250. Market of Europe. Sterling rallied initially after Prime Minister Truss from the UK succumbed to pressure and resigned. The roles have been changed to speed up the process of selecting the fifth Tory Prime Minister in 7 years. Sterling was not helped by poor UK retail sales. Sterling is now below the 20-day moving mean and could be heading towards last week's lowest. The euro trades at a 4-day low in Europe, near $0 and 9,750 cents. It is widely believed that the ECB will raise 75 by next Wednesday and give more information about its unwinding of balance sheets. Market of America. Last month's fall in existing home sales was the 8th consecutive monthly decline. This brings this year's drop to 23%. Separately, the U.S. reported unexpectedly that weekly jobless claims fell by 12,000 last week, which covers the survey week for October jobs report. Today, Canada reports August retail sales. Retail sales should stabilize in August after the 2.5% decline in July. The shift in expectations has not provided much support for the Canadian dollar. The wider risk environment continues to influence the exchange rate. To trade at its 4-day highest, the US dollar is trading above CAD 138.20. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.